Hello guys, okay, this is me again. Okay, today not doing some heritage videos, but today I'm going to do something, announce like a sort of like a good news to everyone. Okay, it's just that currently, okay, WhatsApp, you guys know, is the most popular messaging app currently. Okay, it now supports phone call, as you guys can see currently here on my screen right now. Okay, as you guys can see, different websites when you search WhatsApp and call on Google. Forbes, okay, Forbes, Engadget and The Verge. Okay, Engadget and The Verge, as you guys know, is very popular for tech videos. Okay, so currently if you go on The Verge, okay, it says here, okay, I'll put on the screen. Okay, WhatsApp finally adds voice call for all Android users, iOS coming soon. Okay, as you guys can see, okay, I'll do a screenshot and then I'll put it on the screen right now. Okay, and then below, okay, as you guys can see, this is some of the examples. Okay, let me read to you. Android users can finally make voice calls from WhatsApp thanks to a quiet but major update. Okay, this feature has been teased for a few months, with the update hitting selected users a few weeks ago. Okay, as you guys can see, this is how you make a phone call. There's a phone icon on the top. Okay, there's a little phone icon, you press it and then it makes phone call. But the phone call, it is technically free, but it uses data. Okay, your internet data. So yes, so currently, okay, Android only has this feature, but iOS is coming soon. So I'm using an iPhone myself, which I'm using to film right now, but very soon, you know, we will be able to make phone calls with WhatsApp through Android and iOS. So that's a very good news. And yes, so that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for future videos from me. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.